This video will show you how to install projector headlights on a 2008 to 2009 Pontiac G8. Please make sure you have all the tools shown here before you proceed with the installation. Let's begin. Remove 4 7mm bolts located at the bottom of the front bumper. Remove 2 plastic clips in the fender well. Pull the fender liner aside, then remove 2 10mm bolts attaching the bumper to the fender. Remove 2 10mm bolts. Remove 2 plastic clips. Now we can remove the front bumper and set it to one side. Remove the impact absorber. Remove 2 10mm bolts located just below the headlight. Remove the plastic bracket and unclip the electric harness that's attached to it. Remove 2 10mm bolts. Remove 2 more 10mm bolts at the top of the headlight. Remove the headlight and disconnect the headlight harness. Connect the headlight harness, then place the new headlight in the stock location. Now replace all hardware in reverse order of removal. Please make sure to check all electrical connections and light function before taking your car back on the road. Thank you for choosing SPECDTUNING videos to assist you. Please visit SPECDTUNING.com for more products.